Can you imagine living 5 minutes from this very place? If you've been dreaming of living close to the ocean, dreaming of that lifestyle change, dreaming of being in Hawaii, this is the one. I love this quick walk down from the property. Got the cliffs right here. Off into the distance, got Kaloli Point coming all the way in. I used to live on 10th and Makuu, and I would drive down here to hang out. I'd walk my dog down here and stuff. A lot of people do. But to be able to be on that property and literally just walk out your front door and be here in like 5 minutes, that's like priceless. What sets this lot apart from the other acres here in HPP is its location. Location is prime, right across the street from the ocean. You can hear the waves crashing on the shore. You can walk 2 to 5 minutes down that way to the cliffside, and you have also access this direction to Makuu Point. Here we are on First Ave, your paved access to the property. You've got utility lines right here, and access to your property is easy as just driving right up on the paved road, which is actually a luxury here in HPP. I love this stretch. It's really nice and flat. You can ride your bike back and forth to Makuu Point, and here in the middle, the other shoreline access, you have all these beautiful homes here. People really upkeep their homes in this part of the neighborhood because it is so nice. It's kind of like a little beach community. And like I said, you see people walking their dogs, people just taking jogs. This is a great part of HPP, great part of the Puna district. One thing that's nice about this property is it's walkable already. It doesn't even need to be cleared. Check this out. So, standing here on the property, I actually can see the ocean out there. Okay, so right when I walk into the property, it goes up about 5-6 feet, which is kind of nice. It's a little bit better vantage view for the ocean. You know, once you clear some of this stuff and build a 1 to 2 story house, you have an amazing view. This property is lightly wooded, easy to get in and check out. You should definitely come and do the tour yourself. Obviously, let me know if you're gonna come. But this place has so much potential to be just the launch pad to your lifestyle here right along the beach here in Hawaiian Paradise Park. To be literally across the street from oceanfront property is unheard of in Hawaii, especially for the price.